Welcome back to Daily English Chats, your cozy place for easy English and real-life conversation. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Welcome to day 30. Guys, you made it to the finish line. And Emma, I have to say, you sound very awake today. Like, super awake. Did your brain have 3 cups of coffee?
My brain definitely had coffee, yes. But honestly, my mouth is still waking up very slowly.
So the brain is ready, but the mouth is sleepy. That's a classic English learner situation.
Yeah, honestly, that's true for so many of our listeners too. Their brain understands English perfectly, but their mouth is like, no, I'm shy.
Maybe that's you right now. You listen, you understand, but when it's time to speak, your mouth suddenly forgets how to move. It just freezes.
Exactly. You watch our videos, you know the words, you even understand Alex's bad jokes. But then, when you try to speak, the words get stuck. Your tongue feels heavy, your lips don't want to move.
So, we want to tell you something so important on this final day. There is absolutely nothing wrong with you. Your mouth is just not trained yet.
Right, not trained yet. That little word yet is really powerful because most learners only train their brain. Grammar, vocabulary, listening, taking notes. Meanwhile, they almost never train their mouth muscles, the lips, the tongue, the jaw, and that English sound flow.
So, in a way, your brain is in English, but your mouth is still in your first language.
And that's exactly what we're going to fix together in this grand finale episode. Today's topic is how to train your mouth to speak English.
Look, it's like this. Imagine you read 100 books about doing push-ups.
Oh, 100 books about push-ups while sitting on the sofa? That sounds very you, Alex.
Hey! But seriously, you know the form, the technique, the muscles, the science. You can explain a push-up to your friends perfectly, but you never actually do one single push-up.
Exactly. Then one day you try a real push-up and you just fall flat to the floor. And not because you're stupid, but because your muscles are weak. They were never trained.
That's exactly what happens with English speaking. Your brain chooses the words, but your mouth has to carry them out. Speaking is both mental and muscular.
Mental and muscular. Both. If your mouth is weak, your confidence dies. You open your mouth, the sound feels strange, and your brain says, "See, you're not good." But the truth is, you're not hopeless. You're just untrained.
Wait! Stop what you're doing right now. Let's wake up those mouth muscles immediately. We're going to give you a quick win right now.
Yes, we are going to link words together to create flow. Take the celebration phrase, "I did it." Don't say it like a robot. Push the sounds together. The D pushes into the I. Say it like, "I did it."
I did it! Stand up straight, put a massive smile on your face, and shout it to the room with us. 3, 2, 1.
I did it!
Yes, you did it. You just linked your words, trained your mouth, and celebrated day 30 all at the same time.
Wow, that felt so good. My mouth is definitely awake now.
See? You can train your mouth like a muscle with short, focused daily repetition. like a tiny English gym right there in your room. No equipment, no teacher, just you and your voice.
And maybe your neighbor could hear you through the wall?
Yes. And your neighbor is thinking, wow, someone is really serious about English in this building.
So, Coach Emma, if this is our mouth gym, what does this daily workout look like?
It only takes 5 minutes. 5 minutes. That's like scrolling one short video on your phone. It has 4 steps: warm up, mirror, shadow speaking, and fluency loop.
Nice. Let's go step by step so our listeners can actually copy it. Step 1, mouth warm up, right? Just like in the gym, you don't start with heavy weights.
Exactly. Here, we warm up your lips, tongue, jaw, and your smile. It takes about 1 minute.
Do we just make weird faces at ourselves?
A little bit, yes. Try this with us now. First, lip rolls. Gently buzz your lips like a small motorbike for a few seconds. Boo. It looks silly, but it wakes up your lips and breaks your shyness.
Next, open your jaw wide like a big yawn. Then close it softly. And finally, the smile stretch. Give a big smile like you just passed your English exam. Hold it, then relax. A warm mouth is a ready mouth.
Once your mouth is warm, it's time to face the scary thing. Step 2, the mirror technique.
The mirror, your new English coach. Many learners never actually see themselves speak. They're afraid to look.
But here's what you do. Stand in front of a mirror and look into your own eyes. Choose one strong sentence in English, like, "This is my voice. I own it."
Say that sentence 5 times. Watch your lips, your jaw, your face. It slowly kills that scary thought. Oh no, how do I look when I speak English?
Step 3 is shadow speaking. This is where the real magic starts, and our listeners are experts at this now.
Shadow speaking. For 2 minutes, you become the shadow of the original speaker. You hear, "I don't think that's a good idea," and you say it immediately. "I don't think that's a good idea."
You don't translate. You just hear and speak. This is exactly how babies learn their first language.
And finally, step 4, my favorite part, the fluency loop. It sounds like a video game level.
It does. Level 1, 1 sentence, 3 speeds. Choose a sentence like, "I'm going to improve my English."
First, say it slow. I'm going to improve my English. Feel every sound clearly.
Then say it at a normal speed. "I'm going to improve my English."
And then say it fast, but connected. I'm going to improve my English. Slow, normal, fast. That builds comfort with speed and stops you from overthinking.
Warm up, mirror, shadow, loop. 5 minutes, and you've finished your English mouth gym for the day. But, Alex, what about the inside? If your brain is scared, your mouth will still shake, right?
Yes. I like this picture. Your brain is the pilot, and your mouth is the airplane.
If the pilot is nervous, shaking, and overthinking, the flight is not going to be smooth, even if the airplane is perfect.
We need to train both the brain and the mouth. So speak with emotion, not just accuracy. Many students only care about being correct. Is my grammar okay?
But people don't remember your grammar. They remember your energy. Listen to this. I am happy to be here. And now, I'm happy to be here. Same words, different feeling.
Speak like an actor. Take one simple sentence, like, it's going to be a great day. Say it excited, then say it nervous, then say it angry. When you play like this, your brain forgets to be scared.
That's real fluency. Now, let's slow down for a moment. We need to talk about the honest truth.
Yeah, this part is about honesty. There are two types of learners in the world.
First, the passive learner. They watch hours of YouTube, they take beautiful notes, they follow many pages, but they practice zero speaking.
And second, the fluent learner. They watch just 10 minutes of a podcast. They choose one sentence and they repeat it deeply every day, out loud.
Which one feels more like you right now? No judgment, just an honest check. Many people stay stuck because of fear. What if I make a mistake? What if they laugh?
But this fear is very expensive. How many opportunities did you lose because you stayed silent? The job you didn't try, the friend you didn't talk to?
That hurts. But it's not the end of the story, because you can change the next 30 days. Fluency is not a magic talent. It's a decision. You say, I will train.
Fluency is built in private, in your bedroom, in your kitchen, when nobody is watching. One day, people will only see the result. They'll say, wow, you're so fluent. Your English is amazing.
Let's take a slow breath together. You made it all the way to the end of this episode and this 30-day challenge. Your brain has been working hard, and your ears too.
I am getting a little bit emotional. We spent 6 weeks with our listeners. We shared so much.
Yeah, we talked about my dog Max, my lazy Sunday pizzas, and my identical blue t-shirts.
And we talked about my cat Luna, my beautiful mountain hometown, and my quiet garden.
We feel like we really know you now, too. We read your comments. We saw your amazing daily streaks.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need a movie accent. You just need a brave mouth that is willing to move again and again.
If you listen to this episode, you already trained your brain today. If you now stand up and speak even one sentence out loud, you also train your mouth.
That's right. We will continue to make new daily English Chats podcasts for you, so you can keep training your mouth muscles with us every single week.
We just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who commented, liked, and shared our videos.
Be very, very proud of yourself today. You did it!
All right, it's time for our final vocabulary highlight of the challenge. Let's review 2 beautiful words from today's celebration.
The first word is muscle. M-U-S-C-L-E. Muscle.
Your muscles are the parts inside your body that help you move. You have muscles in your arms, your legs, and your face.
Yeah. Speaking English isn't just about your brain. It's about training your mouth muscles to move in a new way.
The second word is fluent. F-L-U-E-N-T. Fluent.
To be fluent means you can speak a language smoothly, easily, and without stopping to translate in your head.
Training your mouth and practicing every day will lead you straight to fluent English. Okay, everyone, it's time for our final shadowing practice of the challenge. Make this the loudest, most confident practice you've ever done.
Stand up, smile, and move those mouth muscles. We'll say a simple sentence. Then we'll pause.
During the pause, you must shout it out loud. Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. I did it.
Sentence number 2.
I finished the 30-day challenge.
Sentence number 3. I am training my mouth muscles.
Sentence number 4. My English is getting better every day.
Sentence number 5. I speak English with confidence.
Sentence number 6. This is just the beginning.
Wow, what an incredible job.
Now, it's time for our final question of the day. This is your action step for day 30.
The question is, what is your next goal for your English?
You can write, my next goal is to read an English book.
Or, my next goal is to travel and order food in English.
Or maybe, my next goal is to keep listening to Emma and Alex.
Tell us your big dreams. And for the final time, we need you to type our special rule. Go to the comments and write in all capital letters, Day 30 completed. I did it, at the end of your comment.
We'll see those comments and we'll quietly cheer for you from our side of the microphone. If this challenge helped you, please support us by tapping like, subscribing, and sharing this entire playlist with a friend who understands English but is still afraid to speak.
This is Emma.
This is Alex, and this was the 30-day English Confidence Challenge on Daily English Chats, your cozy place for easy English and a stronger, more confident speaking mouth. Take care of your voice, keep training your mouth, and we'll talk to you again very soon in our next videos. Bye everyone, you did it!